viewer.
Hey Arnold may be heading back to the small screen quicker than you can say move it, football head. Nickelodeon is working on a new Hey Arnold TV movie, and 90s kids all over Twitter have something to say about it. Jessica Carollo says, the kid inside is beyond excited. Jelena Cakes writes, in all caps, Hey Arnold is coming back and this is the only thing that matters to me. It's a reason to leave my stoop. Goodbye. Spread your wings, stoop kid, it's time. And all Dr. Gloria Santos cares about is her favorite character, Helga Pataki. She warns there better be a happy ending for her in that movie, with a certain blonde fellow perhaps? The animated series, which ended in 2004, was already the subject of one feature film. Variety has revealed that the new TV movie will resolve unsolved plot lines, including the whereabouts of Arnold's parents. Nickelodeon wouldn't say more, but this is reportedly just the first series the network is rebooting. Fingers crossed that the Wild Thornberrys are next. For Viewer, I'm Sean Dowling.